Gas boiler versus electric boiler. Choosing between a gas and electric boiler can affect your energy bills for years. I'm Michael from BeFix, and here's an honest comparison. Gas boilers are still cheaper to run in most UK homes because gas costs significantly less than electricity. They're powerful, reliable, and well suited for properties with higher heating demand. Electric boilers, on the other hand, are compact, quiet, and easy to install. They're often used in flats where there's no gas supply available. However, electricity is much more expensive, so running costs can be considerably higher, especially during winter. For most UK homes with access to gas, a gas boiler remains the better long-term option. Contact BeFix for honest advice. We'll recommend what truly makes sense for your property, not just what's trendy. Call us on 0208 058 4241 or visit befix.co.uk to book your repair today.